Have you ever been in a meeting with iPhone 8 or iPhone X or Galaxy S7 or email address at gmail.com? That can happen when somebody doesn't know how to update their name in a Zoom meeting. Now, it's not life or death. We know who it is that we're talking to usually, but there are 3 easy ways to update your name at the beginning. And this little short training should teach you how to do that, because in our Toastmasters world, sometimes it's handy to be able to know who to reach out to when we have a question. So here are 3 ways you can change your name in a Zoom meeting. The first way you can change your name is when you first get into a meeting. From the original opening screen, click the Join button. The Join button will open a menu which offers a place to put the meeting ID and your name. So you put your name in the meeting box and you put the meeting ID in the meeting ID box. When you click Join, that's the name that will show up under your video. The second way you can enter your name is in the meeting already. From Gallery View, when you scroll over your active video window, you will see 2 buttons. One that says Mute and 3 little dots. 3 little dots opens up to a menu, and that menu has one item on it called Rename. When you click Rename, a menu box will open up and it says Enter New Name here. You enter new name there and click Rename, and the name on your video will change to be whatever you entered. The third way you can change your name is from the Participants menu. At the bottom of the screen, where it says Participants, click the button. A menu will open up with a list of everybody who's in the meeting. Now, if you click in the More button next to your name, there's a Rename option. And that renaming option is where you can enter in the name that you should be called. Nobody should ever be called by the name of their phone. And that was the 3 different ways you can use to change your name inside of a Zoom meeting. If you're going to be going into a training session and you need to identify which training session you need to go to, you should change your name to reflect that. If you're in your next meeting and you have a role that people need to be able to reach out to or connect with in that meeting, they can use that name to identify you quickly in the chat and send a question to you for an answer. I'm Ray Miller, and this is the District 96 YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and watch for the next year. We're going to post training videos, club and district event information, and hopefully you'll follow along and find out some information about it here. Also, if you know anybody who is interested in video editing or scripting or writing or even recording, we're looking for people to help out with this as well. So reach out to me. My name is Ray Miller. Have a great day.